Hello everyone, welcome to this Military Forces channel. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a historic moment in the skies as Russia arrives with the new Su-35S fighter jet, the pride of its air fleet. The Su-35S, renowned for its unrivaled capabilities, once again raises the bar for air superiority. With state-of-the-art avionics and a powerful weapons system, it is no surprise that this aircraft has captured the imagination of military and aviation experts, fans all over the world. Behind every powerful aircraft is a skilled pilot, and Russian Air Force personnel are truly a force to be reckoned with. Trained to handle the Su-35S with precision and finesse, these pilots embody the spirit of excellence and dedication. As the world watched in amazement, Russia's newest Su-35S fighter jet signaled a bold statement of strength and readiness. In an era of ever-evolving threats, these planes are a testament to Russia's power and prowess. Russian military,